Connecting and applying electrical power to a system without knowing its exact physical constraints results in immediate, catastrophic destruction. If we didn't have a mathematical relationship to govern these electrical parameters, designing any functional circuit would just be expensive, dangerous guesswork. In the early 1800s, German physicist George Simon Ohm conducted a series of physical experiments to map and quantify these invisible electrical forces. His findings established Ohm's law. It is the precise predicted model that tells electronics engineers exactly how a circuit will behave before it burns up. Mastering this single mathematical relationship is what gives us the ability to scale predictable, safe power delivery, from a basic 5-volt wall charger all the way up to massive AI infrastructure. Circuit design relies entirely on balancing 3 specific variables: voltage, current, and resistance. To see how they interact, we can look at a fluid dynamics model. Voltage acts as the exact pressure pushing through the system. Current represents the actual volume of water, or electrons, flowing as a direct result of that pressure. Resistance is the physical restriction in the pathway. If we narrow the pipe here, we bottleneck the flow, driving the current reading down. This creates a strict physical rule. The current flowing through a conductor will always be directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. We standardize this rule by stating the equation: current equals voltage divided by resistance. Because these 3 quantities are mathematically locked together, knowing any 2 values allows you to instantly solve for the third. This single algebraic equation gives engineers the precise ability to dictate how electrons will move through a circuit before a single wire is ever soldered. Let's apply this to a piece of physical hardware. Every resistor and component on this prototype board represents a variable we can control. First, determining current. If we connect a 12-volt power source to a circuit with 6 ohms of resistance, we need to know exactly how much current will flow. By dividing 12 volts by 6 ohms, the math guarantees this circuit will draw exactly 2 amps. Now let's reverse the requirement. We have a 10-volt source, but our circuit requires exactly 0.5 amps of current to operate safely. Dividing 10 volts by 0.5 amps tells the engineer they must insert a 20-ohm component to hit that specific target. This reproducible math eliminates the risk of overloading the system. It lets designers balance the entire circuit virtually. This becomes critical when working with delicate components, like the microcontrollers or light-emitting diodes seen here. If an LED draws unrestricted current, it will destroy itself instantly. To build a working LED circuit, we have to navigate tight operational limits. We start with a 5-volt supply. Our LED requires a 2-volt drop to turn on, and it has a strict maximum current limit of 20 milliamps, or 0.02 amps. First, we calculate the remaining voltage. If the supply is 5 volts and the LED takes 2, our protective resistor must absorb the remaining 3 volts. Next, we apply Ohm's law. We divide that 3-volt burden by our target current of 0.02 amps. The result is 150. We must physically install a 150-ohm resistor to guarantee this specific LED will survive. Resistance acts as the vital hardware bridge, stepping down a power supply's raw, violent output to safely match a component's delicate operational limits. Expansive. The exact same math applies when we move away from milliwatt consumer electronics and scale up to modern high-power computing infrastructure. A single processor inside an AI server draws a massive amount of current compared to everyday devices. A heavy compute load might operate at a standard 12 volts while pulling an astonishing 50 amps of current. If we divide 12 volts by 50 amps, we find the effective load resistance of the processor is just 0.24 ohms. To push that much current at standard computer voltages, the system's effective resistance has to sit dangerously close to 0. This physical reality is exactly why electric vehicles and industrial power systems require thick, heavy-duty wiring arrays. Without robust conductors, the infrastructure would simply melt. That melting point highlights an unavoidable consequence of Ohm's law. Whenever current flows through resistance, energy is forcefully converted into heat. To measure that thermal output, we use the power equation, which states that power equals voltage multiplied by current. By substituting our variables, we can combine these equations into a single formula. power equals current squared times resistance. This proves mathematically that heat scales exponentially as current rises. Engineers must constantly run these calculations to map out thermal boundaries and prevent resistive heating from destroying their chips. This translates directly into physical hardware. Components like this CPU cooler are engineered specifically to dissipate those highly calculated heat loads. Because of the strict math governing voltage, current, and resistance, electrical circuit design will always carry the inherent challenge of thermal management. This defines the modern engineering workflow. You determine your operating voltage, calculate the required current, find the necessary resistance, verify your thermal limits, and then test the system. Modern automotive and aerospace vehicles contain dozens of specialized control units housing intersecting circuits that must all balance these mathematical limits simultaneously. To manage this scale, engineers rely on simulation software that applies Ohm's law automatically across thousands of virtual nodes, testing designs before manufacturing begins. But the math is only reliable if the engineer inputs correct unit types, keeping volts distinct from millivolts, and strictly respects the physical maximum ratings of the components. George Simon Ohm's observation linking electrical flow to physical restriction remains the immovable bedrock of all modern hardware development. Ohm's law is the precise tool that transforms electrical engineering from a dangerous physical experiment into a deterministic, highly predictable science.